All right, let's go back again. Let me repeat what I said. Okay, I'm going to drag the text area for the title. Okay, drag the text area. And then on the box, you cannot type it here. You have to type on the text, which is this one. Okay, so text, I'm going to put there for now world trivia. Okay, world trivia. Again, you cannot put it here. You have to put it on the box. Now, I want to change it to a bigger one. Okay, a bigger one, which is right now I'm using size 13, right? So I will be using size, let me see what's this big size. Like that. 30 is okay. I think 30 is okay.
Oh yeah, thank you. I'm recording.
And then color, you don't have to change the color if you want, but the color is in here. So text color over here. Okay, if you want to change it. All right. Okay. Um, I can get a tape. I'm sorry. I can get a table if you want to put a table in here so you can see it. You're okay?
I'm fine right
You're
now.
fine. Okay. Um, the next one, I want to change the background color. It's so boring to look at. If you see the default, you can go down in here, and then I could change the color. I'll try the color. You see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So how do I do it? Because they miss it. They go on the top, the team, and then I can pick any design that I want. This is a pre-design. Yeah. Okay, I will choose this. This is too pinkish. I will choose gosh, there's so many choices, huh? I'll choose the polar for now. Okay, there you go. And then I could change the color of the background if I want to over here. So basically this area, this is where you change everything. The color, the font, the size, the alignment, everything is in the side, the events, okay? So every button that you add or text, there is a properties that you can change. Okay, so I think I could just change the color. This one is to oh yeah, that one's more visible. And then you can change the size, the same thing as you change the picture, like that. Okay, so I just make a title. And next one, I need to put a picture to make it more appealing. I'm gonna use image. So drag it like that.
Image.
Okay.
Wow.
You can just resize it if you want, like this. I usually drag the corner of the screen. Okay, so you can just drag it like that. Okay. Now there is a downside of this one. In code.org, they don't have a pre-gallery, or meaning that you can select.
Icon.
You cannot, let's say I'm gonna go now here. Okay, everybody, did you click the image of me here?
Wait, where do you add that?
Did you have the image? Yeah, that's the one. So, can you watch? So when you click the image, you will see choose on this one, but there's no gallery, meaning you have to download first on the Google site.
Go to icon.
In the icon, this is gonna look like, guys. I really don't want like to use the icons because they're all black and white. I don't want to use that one. It's not appealing. Yeah, you can if you want. Yeah, but I don't want to use that one. I'm gonna use my file. The thing is, I haven't downloaded anything. Okay, I'm gonna go jump first to Google. Okay, I'm gonna go get pictures, and my topic is about world. So I'm just gonna put world image. If I want an image that's animating, I'm gonna use GIF, world GIF. That means all these things are moving. Let me try, okay? So if you use world JPEG, pictures are just it's not moving. That's JPEG. If I put GIF, this means graphical information. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm gonna choose the animation one, which is yep, this one. Let me see how it looks. I don't know if it's just animating or what. Let me see. Okay, I think you're gonna see the effect when you get it. Let me try. So do you know how to copy paste a picture? I mean to save it in the computer? Yes, correct. Oh, there you go. Right click. Okay, you right click the picture, upload that one, which is goes to Globe, download, open, and then I will attach it. This is how it looks.
Wait, what's the trademark?
Depending on how fast your internet, there you go. It will display. Choose, and then it will open. There you go. So I can just make it up, make it big like that.
Mr. Worldwide.
So on the name of my picture is image one. There you go. So world trivia. So all I need to do, since they have no gallery, I went to the Google and then find a picture, download it, and then I go on the image, and then I go on here, upload my file, and then after I load my file, I usually go to download folder, and these are my pictures. These pictures I got it from the internet. Okay. I want you to use the button, this one. Okay? Button. Everybody look, button. Drag it over here. There you go, button. Okay, we're not coding yet. We're designing our app. Okay, so button. I want you to rename the button to start. This is gonna be my start. 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 Everything is start. Okay, change my ID. Change the description. I'm going to use start. Some people they use the word play or begin, but for now I'm gonna use start. Okay. So world trivia picture, and I have a start button. Okay. So let's try it. You can just make it big if you want to. Okay. Where did I get it? Button. ID, change it to start. Text, change it to start. All right. Everything is start. Okay. Now, can we run a program? Yes, you can run the program. See what happened? Yeah, it will display. When you click the start, does it work? Of course not. It will not work because we haven't coded yet, right? It will just point, but it doesn't go anywhere. Why? Because we haven't coded, and then we need one more screen, right? We need the screen, right? When you click the start, where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Go to a new screen. So we're gonna make two screens. One for the cover, one for the where it will go. Okay? All right, let's go now. Design again. And then, hey, bear with me. This is not really hard. If you pass this area, you say, oh, this is easy. Okay, now we have screen one, right? I want you to go new screen. New screen. Okay, new screen. And I want you to make it a new screen. This is going to be the question. So let's say my question is on the first one, I will say, what is the biggest or what is the smallest? What is the biggest country? Right? What is the biggest country? You know what's the answer, right? Russia, China, those are choices. Russia, China, US, North America, right? What is the biggest country? Let me change the font size first. Okay, font size like that. Okay, and then for your choices, do you want a picture or do you want the button? Which is easier for you? Okay, because you have a choices like picture or you have a buttons. So for buttons, you can do like this. You can just simply add button like that, like that, like this, right? Button, button. Okay, we'll just make two for now. Okay, I don't want to overwhelm you. Okay, we're gonna make two. Okay, two buttons. So the first one, I'm gonna name it Russia. Okay, let's just say Russia, and then the button, the text will be Russia. Okay, there you go. And then the other one button is will be China. Okay, China, and then China. Right, China. Okay, as you can see, it's boring without a picture, right? uh, you can do it for now like that. But if you want to add a picture, you can. Just we know already how to put pictures, right? Okay. It's like you can use that one. This is a lot of options. You can do the drop down text input, but I'm gonna use the button first, okay? And I want to put image also if you want to. Okay, let's try that one. Are you okay, Eva? What's that? Okay, Russia, and then China. Okay, like this one. Okay, now I'm making a screen too, guys. Okay, so Russia and China. If you want to add picture, yeah, go ahead. You can add pictures if you want to. I'm just gonna add Russia. Let's see if I save one. Let's see if I save one. Oh yeah, I don't have Russia. I'm gonna go to Google. Um, I'm gonna go to Google and look for Russia. Russia. Okay, but you don't have to do the picture. You can just do the buttons. Okay. Oh yeah, here I'm going to use this one. This is fancy. So right click, save image. We got screen one, screen two. We're gonna make it jump. All right. So what you're gonna do? Go to code, and I want you to click on event. Okay, on event. There you go. You drag this one. Go to show blocks. It will be easier for you. Okay, this one, this code. On event. Are you here? On event. You drag it. On event ID type like this one. On event.
Wait, how do you make it go to code?
Go to code here on the top. Code. And then remember you're in design, right? So we're done designing. We're gonna go in code. Okay, code. Okay, code. Now, what we're gonna do is like we're gonna say, hey computer, when they click the start, which is the ID, which is start. Did you press start? Did you have a start button? Okay, click the start. Okay, on event start, and then click. Right? We're not gonna change it to anything. We're gonna change it to click. Okay, got it? All right. So on event start, and then click. Did you find the start button? Yes. Okay. Did you name it start? Okay, good. Now I want the computer to jump on set screen 2, right? Which is go down all the way down. All the way down, which is set screen. There you go, set screen. Right? So computer, when the user click the start, I want you to jump to screen what? Screen 2. Thank you, Sophia. Screen 2. Now let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try. Okay, so run and then watch this, guys. Press the start. Check your app. Okay, start. It goes.
I did it.
It goes out. It goes up, right? It goes jump because we tell the computer, hey, when the user click the start, go to set screen 2, right? And then guess what? This is a JavaScript that you did, guys. Look at that. Right? Cool, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Now, you get it?
I get it.
So when the user answered the question, what is the biggest country? So I want you to, this is the kind of confusing part, okay? When you go to the design, go to screen 2, make sure that you rename your button. Let's say if you rename your button to whatever, let's say for me, Russia, you put Russia, okay? And if you put China, then you put China too, so that you know where to get it. Okay, now let's add a JavaScript command. Go back to code. Same thing. You're going to get the set on event. Okay, on event, same thing. Okay, you can go show blocks like that. Okay, on event. Now, my choices is Russia and China. Right? Next. Question, next. And I put there next, right? And then you can take away all these things that you don't need it. But basically, I copy the screen 2 and then make it a screen 3, and I just change the command, okay? All right. Now, you have to remember this button in screen too. Mine is Russia and China. Okay. I hope yours is the same too. Okay. Then go back to the code. Okay. Go back to the code. If the user click Russia, then what do you want to show? Screen.
3, 4.
We don't have screen 4 yet. Screen 4 is it's like screen 4 is like sorry, try again, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put screen 3, right?
Do it.
So over here, set screen. This is no fun if you're not trying. I'm telling you, it's gonna be boring if you're not trying it. So screen 3, right? If the choice is correct, then I want to display screen 3, right? If the answer is wrong, then I want to display the screen 4, which is sorry, better luck next time, right? Okay, so I am going to make a screen 4 and I'm going to duplicate it, okay? Design, I'm going to duplicate screen 3. I have now, let me go back again, screen 4, I have now 4, which I'm going to put here, sorry, try again. Okay, sorry, try again. There you go. And then you can just say start. What did you say? Start or restart. Restart if you want to put restart. Okay. But again, just remember all the screen code. Screen 4, screen 3, screen 2, which is China. Okay, the code on this one, the same thing. You just get again the on event. Okay, same thing. And then if the user click China, which is wrong answer, then you will say set screen 4, right? Set screen 4. Set screen 4 is the sorry, try again. There you go. I know it's kind of confusing at the beginning, but as you can see, it's just a repetitive command, right? It's just a repetitive. Once you do one, you do the same thing. Two, third, the fourth, the fifth. All right. And I like this one because you know what? For the next question, you just copy paste this thing. Like the other kid said, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. This is easy. So control C, control V, control V, control V, like that. Okay, go back again. I'm gonna go back again and then show back. You cannot copy the one from the blocks. You have to go to JavaScript. You click the JavaScript and then you can copy the code. But if you're in the block, you cannot. So meaning if you're gonna do another questions, you basically copy paste it. So if you're making 10 questions, to change the questions.
Wait, you need at least 10.
Yeah, at least 10. Do you have any question? I can hear you. What is your question?
Happy birthday.